Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a simple recipe for a delicious hot chocolate drink. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optional toppings: whipped cream, chocolate shavings, marshmallows, etc. Instructions: in a small saucepan, heat the milk over medium heat until it begins to steam. Be careful not to let it boil. In a separate bowl, mix the cocoa powder and sugar together until well combined. Gradually add the cocoa powder mixture to the steaming milk, whisking constantly to prevent any lumps from forming. Continue whisking until the hot chocolate is smooth and creamy. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the hot chocolate into mugs and top with your desired toppings, such as whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or marshmallows. Serve immediately and enjoy. Feel free to adjust the sweetness level by adding more or less sugar according to your preference. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of nutmeg for extra flavor if you like. Enjoy your homemade hot chocolate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.